Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We got this Jeep Grand Cherokee in. It's getting a big audio upgrade. My man Chris is going to hop on it. And first, he's got to fix some stupid. We got some stuff that was done wrong. I don't know who tried to originally install the speakers in this, but we got to fix that. We got to make some speaker adapters. And the radio install is horrific. So we got to reinstall that. We're going to drop in a DSP. We're going to make some speaker adapter plates for the doors. And we're going to run some Stinger power and signal wires. Chris, you gonna help me fix some stupid in here?
Yeah, this disgusting one.
Alright, so we're gonna clean this up. Wow. Yeah, just wow. Like, this module's like $200. This install is like negative $2,000. Freaking horrible. But we're gonna clean it up and make it right. Then I don't know what's going on in the doors. So instead of making the proper adapter so the speaker would sit in and seal, they just applied some dumb butyl rubber sticky nastiness. I don't know what the heck that is. And then there's a hole right here. Customer got us piles of new equipment to work with, so we're gonna strip everything out and start over. I just don't know where the heck we're gonna fit these giant amplifiers, but that's not my problem, that's Chris's problem. He's gonna figure it out. Okay, this doesn't make any sense. So they used the adapter to screw the speaker in and then didn't pre-drill. So this screw twisted the adapter and snapped it and then pushed the whole thing out to create a huge air leak. So Chris is able to fit the larger of the two amplifiers behind the factory panel once removed the factory subwoofer. So it fits nicely, so we're gonna put it there. It's gonna free up all the client's trunk space. Okay, Chris knocked out the speaker adapters. Now we got it sitting in the door properly. Same thing with the rear ones. Now we have proper fitment. Now these speakers should sound right. Radio harness is completely cleaned up. That whole disaster is all gone now. Module is nice and neat. Holy moly! It's a big woofer. So the Jeep Grand Cherokee is done, and all I could say is, damn, this Skar woofer is definitely overkill. It shakes the whole damn car. So he's got a 3K on it. Woofer can handle every bit of the power. It was a bit of a pain in the ass because we had to run 0 gauge for that amplifier, but it's done. The door panels, the speakers are mounted properly. DSP is tucked behind the radio. We ran a AD 6-channel DSP. This thing rocks, shakes the whole damn car. It's nice and clean, safe. Time to go home.